Here's one last cold start sound clip of my current exhaust, because today we are making big changes. The crackle and pops, and today we are going to get the crackle and pops. I'm going to show you guys a couple last revs. I'm going to do 3,000 and then 5,000. I'm not going to redline it because the microphone will not pick it up. So here's the idle 3,000 RPM rev and a 5,000 RPM rev, and then we'll go ahead and pull her down. When you're about that low life and you need a little extra support, I chose the absolute worst day to install some exhaust. We're hitting at about 95. It feels like 100. Honestly, it's going to hit 100 later on. RIP to me. This is an absolute must whenever working with exhaust. You need some type of lubricant. This is my WD-40. If you don't have this, you're gonna make your exhaust job a lot harder than it needs to be. Let's spray away. Now that we finally got the car jacked up, the bolts lubed up, and the pipes are cooling down, we could finally start the video and see what we have in store inside of this box. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I already did an unboxing and exclusive stuff. If you guys want more exclusive content first, follow me on Instagram. I unboxed this. I'm gonna do it one more time. I already know what's inside. We have the Pypes Shorty H-pipe, and let me go ahead and tell you guys the story. So Pypes actually hit me up, which I was totally surprised about. The manager over there was just talking about the H-pipe, my full setup, and the X-pipe, and he wanted to go ahead and send me just a shirt and some hat and decals. I was just like, heck yeah, why not? And then lo and behold, he actually surprised me by sending me the X-pipe. We were talking about H-pipes and X-pipes. This was a legit surprise, but he literally just sent this. I was so excited. I have the off-road H-pipe. That's why you guys saw the sound clips. It gets that lower meteor tone to it, and previously he saw my videos and he knew that I wanted more loud, and he knew I wanted pops, and he gave that to me in this video. We're gonna go ahead and slap the Pypes off-road X-pipe onto Sally right now, and then these are just the connectors that I think go right here and go right here, and there we have it. That should go ahead and fit perfectly, bolt on. I love these types of exhaust because it just bolts so perfectly. It's the easiest to install. Like, guys, I highly encourage you all the time, do your own work. This is like a $200 job if you take it to a mechanic, and I'm literally saving myself $200 because it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Lift your car up and you're done. Give yourself about 2 hours or so and you have yourself a very loud car. But it does not stop there, because I didn't know how cool Pypes was. I didn't know that Pypes was like an actual brand, but look at how cool this shirt is. One of the sickest shirts. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right now. There we go, baby. So much better. And it still does not stop there, boys. The funniest thing ever. 2 shot glasses. Did not expect this at all. Look, it even has like a secret recipe that you can go ahead and take their shot. This is like their famous one with the coconut rum, pinnacle whipped vodka, and part grenadine. I started busting up laughing when I saw this. This is one of the most coolest things I've ever seen. He also sent 2 more decals, which I'm probably gonna go ahead and put under the hood. And then of course we have the hardware to go ahead and finish up right here. When I received this care package, it was one of the best, my most favorite. My respect for Pypes. blew up. I want to go ahead and get full Pypes exhaust just so I could go ahead and represent them even more. We'll talk more about it right now. I have everything Pypes except for the Roush axlebacks, but I mean, the only really thing that they have compared to Roush axlebacks is the pipe bomb, and I will literally be waking the dead up from their grave. So stay tuned. I'm not entirely sure what's going to come in the axleback, but I know for sure we need the exhaust cutouts for the camshafts that I have on my car with exhaust cutouts. With the exhaust cutouts, it is going to be so monstrous. Like, you're just gonna have to stay tuned for that one. I can't wait. Hopefully we can work something out with Pypes, but I really do want the Pypes cutouts. If you guys don't know what it means, it's basically you have the control to open your headers or not, and it's just so much louder, so stay tuned for that. That is the full unboxing of what Pypes sent me. All right, the car has finally cooled down, and now it's time to take off the Pypes off-road H-pipe. And one of the best things about long tubes is that it's not like the stock manifold where the bolts are like all the way up there and you need an extension. It is so readily accessible right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these two bolts off, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to the center and then take the mid-pipe bolts off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is literally it. That easy. And here we have it. I love working with Shorty pipes. They're just so easy to take out. This took me like 10 minutes maximum. And here it is, the H-pipe and the X-pipe side by side. This is the Shorty style. If you have the stock manifolds, they will bring up a lot longer because they do have to reach all the way to those restricted pieces of garbage. And here it is. Hopefully a lot louder, better flow. I know a lot of people love the X-pipe, but I am, of course, going to the X-pipe, and the H-pipe is available. And I want to go ahead and give you guys this opportunity right now. You know, I love giveaways. You know, you guys love my giveaways. And I'm giving you guys opportunity to get this for free, not including shipping because I absolutely hate shipping. So if you guys want this free Shorty H-pipe, comment down below, give this video a like, and then hit me up on Instagram and we'll work something out. And if you do not have long tubes, still hit me up. I'll see if I can work anything out with Pypes, just because these long tube headers are amazing. And then this just also gives you a good picture of the heat cycle that these pipes go through. They start off with this nice aluminum color, and then when they go through this heat cycle, it turns into a copper. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the O2 sensors on. I'm gonna tighten up some things, put some lubricant on the places that really need it, and then we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys and then hear exactly how it sounds. The X-pipe fits like a glove. The fitting of Pypes is absolutely perfect. It's like made like OEM parts. That's what I love here. So I just finished everything. I actually recorded a different video while I was doing this. So I'm finally done with everything. This is going to be the first true cold start. Got oil on my face. Yeah, true cold start. She's been down for about 3 hours. Let's go ahead. Let's fire her up. Ladies and gentlemen, Pypes, long tube headers, Pypes Shorty X-pipe, and the Roush Extreme axlebacks. Let's get it. It sounds a lot different. I don't know if you guys could tell on video. I wish I had a better microphone. I could smell the heat cycle already. Definitely smell the heat cycle. Let's go ahead and check right underneath, make sure that everything's good. everything looks good. No exhaust leaks. I did an oil change down there, so that's not exhaust. It took me an hour tops. Loving the X-pipe. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, go through some heat cycles. Then we're gonna go outside, do a little teaser for next video, because I know you guys want to know if this crackles and if it pops. I want to send a huge shout out to Pypes once again. I'm hoping for even bigger things. Hopefully the Pypes cutouts can come, because that is going to be so cool. Thank you so much, Pypes, for reaching out to me. Stay tuned, guys, for more stuff to come. I highly recommend Pypes if you guys want long tubes, if you guys want axle backs, mid pipes, whatever you want. Pypes is affordable, it's great quality, never had any issues, no exhaust leaks or anything like that. You gain horsepower, you gain so much with Pypes. If you need anything, by all means, just comment down below or hit me up on Instagram and we'll go ahead and talk from there on out. Hope you guys enjoyed the comparison between the two. Now let's go ahead and see if it is louder and if it gives us that crackle and pop we've always been wanting.